students. We are in chapter 14, that is your open source concepts. So in this session we are going to discuss question and answer. Yes, first one, it is your part 1. Okay, wow. So what is for you? If the source code of a software is freely accessible by the public, then it is known as, yes, what is from the option? Yes, C is the option for you, that is open source. Next, come to the second one. Which of the following is a software program that replicates the functioning of a computer network? Yes, the answer is B, which is network simulation. Then come to the third one. Which of the following can document every incident that happened in the simulation and are used for examination? So here the trace file is the answer, which is option C for you. Then come to the fourth one, which is an example of network simulator. Yes, which is the answer? Yes, the answer is NS2. Then come to the fifth one, fill in the blanks. NS2 comprises of dash key languages. What are the two key languages? Oh, sorry, the answer is 2. So what are the key languages? Yes, that we can continue in the sixth one. Okay, wow. Choose the correct pair from the following to build NS2. Yes, the option is C for you. Yes, the two key languages are OTCL and C++. Okay, wow. Next, come to the seventh one. Which of the following is not a network simulation software? Which of the one is not a network simulation software? So the answer is NS2 for you. Then come to the eighth one. Which of the following is an open source network monitoring software? Yes, it is OpenNMS. Then come to the ninth one. OpenNMS was released in 2004. Okay, wow. Then come to the next one. Yes, 10th one. OpenNMS group was created by, yes, go with the option. First one is Black, next Matt, next one David. So the option D is for you. Yes, all of them. So clear with the part 1. That is the choose the correct answer. Yes, next we can move on to the next one. Yes. Yes, it is part 2 for you. First one. Explain the history of open source software. So for this one, you people have to copy it. Yes, this is the answer for the first question. Yes, what it is? In the early days of computing, programmers and developers shared software in order to learn from each other and evolve the field of computing. Next point. Eventually, the open source notion moved to the way side of commercialization of software in the years 1970 to 1980. Next point. The open source initiative was founded in February 1998 to encourage use of the new term and evangelize open source principles. The free software movement was launched in 1983. In 1998, a group of individuals advocated that the term free software should be replaced by open source software as an expression which is less ambiguous and more comfortable for the corporate world. The open source label came out of a strategy session held on April 7, 1998. Okay, wow. So these are the points that you people have to write in the first question, that is the explain the history of open source software. Okay, wow. Yes, next we can move on to the next one, that is your second question. What is meant by network simulator? What is meant by network simulator? Yes, for this in your book you people have to move to page number 204. Yes, go to page number 204. That you are having 2 sites, no? In that, yes, it will be coming under the side heading Network Simulation Tool, NS2, that is 14.2. In that, you people be in the line 8th line. You are having, no? A network simulator is a software program that replicates the functioning of a computer network. Yes, in simulators, the computer network is typically demonstrated with devices, traffic, etc. and the performance are evaluated. Yes, till this you people have to mark it. Okay, wow. So totally people will be having 6 lines beginning from a network simulator till performance are evaluated. Clear with the second one? Now we can move on to the next one, that is what is trace file. Yes, come to page number 204. Yes, first para, last 3 lines for you. Okay, ma? So trace files can document every incident that happened in the simulation and are used for examination. Mark the 3 lines. It is your part 2, third question. Then come to the next one. Write short notes on NS2. Okay, ma? For that you will be in page number, yes, 204. Second para, that is 14.2. Under 14.2 you are having second para, no? Yes, mark that one. Yes, beginning from that one, that is NS2 is the abbreviation of. Starting from that, move to the third para, that is your 6th line. There you are having a term as a user interface, no? Yes, mark till that one. So that is your short notes on NS2. Okay, wow. Then come to next one, that is your explain NRC FOSS. Yes, for that the answer is in page number 202. Yes, for the beginning, the beginning of the page you are having a single para, no? There you are having 4 lines, no? Mark that one. That is your beginning from National Resource Center till in India. So that is for your part 2, 5th question. Then come to the 6th one. Write short notes on OpenNMS. Yes, for that be in page 205. Yes, introduction para you are having now, OpenNMS. Yes, beginning from that, yes, till you people have to mark, that is training and support. So totally people will be having 6 lines. 6 lines, 3, yes, 6.5 lines. Okay, ma'am. So that is for your part 2, 6th question. Clear? Finished marking the part 2s and clear with the markings that are instructed for you. Yes, then move to the next one. That is your part 3. Yes, here the first question. What are the uses of open source network software? Here go with the question carefully. What are the uses of open source network software? Yes, for that you people come to page number 201. Yes, in that which side? Right side you people are having second para, no? In a network it is not easy to find problems. It is beginning like that, no? Yes, from there to whole para you people have to mark. That is for your part 3, first question. You have to mark in a network it is not easy to find problems. Beginning from that till when it happens. Okay, well, mark that one. It is for your part 3, 1. Then come to the next one. Explain free software. Explain free software. Yes, for that come to page number 202. Yes, on side heading you are having, no, open source software versus free software. Yes, in that you are having 6th line. Free software, a concept developed in the 1980s. You are having, no? Yes, mark from there till the end of the first para as they see fit. Mark that one. Then come to the third para. In that from the bottom 4th line, that is freeware, usually refers to till cannot be changed. Mark up to that one. Okay, wow. So it is in page number 202 under the side heading open source software versus free software. So in that first para you have to mark from the 6th line beginning from free software till as they see fit. Okay, wow. Then in that side itself last para you have to mark from bottom 3rd line that freeware usually refers to beginning from that till cannot be changed. Okay, wow. Then come to the next one. It is your third one, part 3, third one. List out the popular open source software. Okay, wow. Yes, for that you people come to page number 204. In that last you people are having, no, example of open source application software. Mark that whole. That is beginning from NS2 till PHP. Okay, wow. Then come to the 4th one, part 3, 4th one. Write a note on open source hardware. Yes, for that come to page number 205. Last para, second line. The computers used by the individual or business organization. It is beginning like that, no? Mark from that till the last line, that is spyware if found. Okay, ma'am. So mark that one. It is your Roman letter 3, 4th one. Then come to the next one. What are the main functional areas of OpenNMS? What are they? Yes, in the same page 205. Yes. Beginning you are having, no, OpenNMS has 3 main functional areas: service monitoring, data gathering, event management and notification. You have to mark the whole 3 points. Okay, wow. So that is for your part 3, 5th question. Then come to the next one. Explain the types of organization related to open source. What are the organizations that are related to open source? So for that, come to page number 202. Yes, then immediately people are having the side heading itself. Organization related to open source. Mark that one. Totally people will be having 7. So you have to mark the 7 organization. Yes, beginning from Apache Software Foundation till Open Source Initiative. You have to mark that one. That is for your part 3, 6th question. So clear with the markings that are instructed in part 3 for you. Yes, next we can have the next one. It is your part 4. Okay, va? Yes, first one you are having differentiate proprietary software and open source software. So it is a difference for you people. You people have to copy it in your book neatly. Okay, va? There and all you people are having enough space, copy these points. Yes, this is your difference. Open source software and next one is your proprietary software. First one under open source. So I will read out all the points that are under open source. Then I will be reading under the next one. Okay, va? Yes, first one, it is your open source software. It is developed and tested through open collaboration. Anyone with academic knowledge can access, inspect, modify and redistribute the source code. Third point, the project is managed by an open source community of developers and programmers. Fourth, they are not aimed at unskilled users outside of the programming community. It provides better flexibility, which means more freedom, which encourages innovation. Next example is Android Firefox. These two are familiar example for you. Okay, va? Then under the next software, it is owned by the individual or the organization that developed it. Only the owner or publisher who holds the legal property rights of the source code can access it. The project is managed by a closed group of individuals or a team that developed it. But in the case of open source, you are having a open source community. Okay, va? So they are focused on a limited market of both skilled and unskilled end users. There is a very limited scope of innovation with the restrictions and all. And the familiar example for you people is Windows and Mac OS. So clear with the detail first one. Yes, next we can have the second one. Yes, next one, list out the benefits of open source software. For this, you people have to move to page number 204. In that you are having the side heading, no, that is benefits of open source software and tools. Yes, you people mark the, how many points you people are having? 4, 5, 6, 7 points. Yes, mark the 7 points. Okay, va? So till beginning from, there are many, side heading also you people have to mark. Yes, first point is there are many open source softwares. Okay, va? Beginning from that till the last point, many open source software are very user friendly. Okay, va? Mark till that one. It is your part 4, second question. Next come to the next one, that is your explain various open source license. Yes, for that you people come to page number 202. There you people are having one side heading, no, that is types of open source license. Yes, mark that one. Okay, va? Yes, beginning from Apache license 2.0 till Ellipse public license. You people have to mark that whole para. It is for your part 4, third question. So clear with the book bag. What else given for this lesson? Clear with the topics. What else we have discussed by now? You have completed all the part 1, part 2, part 3 and part 4 marking. Clear with this one? Yes, next we can proceed with the book inside for you. Yes, now we can have our book inside. This is your 14th lesson that is on the screen for you. Yes, first part is the introduction part for you. Okay, va? So here they have given all the explanation that is related to the introduction. That is why it is called open source. You people have to mark that one. It can be your extra question. You must mark that one. Why it called open source? Yes, you have to mark from here. Open source simply refers to making the source code of the software freely available. You have to mark from here till to the reliable to the users. You people mark that one. Okay, va? Yes, next para you people are having, no? So this one we have already marked from beginning from here till in a network. It is not easy to find till when it is happens. We have already marked this one for your book bag question. Yes, come to the next page. In that you people are going to have the first one, it is your NRC FOS. So underline that expansion, that is your National Resource Center for Free and Open Source Software. Underline that one, okay va? So next you people are having the next one, that is your organization related to open source. So these you people have already marked for your book bag. Next you people are having BOSS. Underline that expansion for BOSS and underline the expansion for CDAC. Okay, well, that is your CDAC. Underline that one. Next, types of open source license. You people have already marked that one for your book bag detail. Then come to this side. Yes, this side you are having another one side heading, that is your open source software versus free software. Okay, va? So this here also we have already marked each and everything for your book bag questions. So from where YouTube begins for you? Yes, from here. What is the free software notes they asked for? From here till here you people have to mark that one. Okay, va? Next, come to the next para. You people read this one and underline what else you people are feeling important. Then come to the next. Here you people are having the definition for freeware. Mark these three. Already it is marked for your book bag. Again you people check it off. Okay, va? Yes, next come to the next page. That is your page number 203. Yes, here here we are having open source software and developers. Yes, here you people have to underline what and all, or collaboration opportunity, improve skills and build connections in the field. Underline that one. Similarly here, source community include. So what are the four it is included for you? Mark this one. It can be for your extra question. Okay, va? Yes, underline that one. What are the four you people are having? Communication tools, distributed revision control system, bug trackers and task list. Next one, testing and debugging tools. Okay, va? So these are the diagrams that are representing, that is related to open source. And next you people are having the diagram that represents open source. How open source work. Mark this diagram. It can be for your extra 3-mark question. Yes, first you people are having the developer, then the compiled program and the source code. It is given onto the network, that is it is deployed on the net, that is worldwide for you people. Under that, many users acting as both as a user and the developer, they are going to have some improved source code. So that only given here just for representation it is given 3 users. Okay, wow. They are going to have improved source code. Here it is. Yes, at last it is going to be here. That is many developers from the world. You people, for that only they have drawn like this. And at last you people are having the vastly improved source code. Okay, wow. So many will be giving suggestions, and from that the best will be selected and that will be implemented in the corresponding program. Okay, wow. Then come to the next page. Yes, here you people are having the benefits of open source software and tools. Yes, it is already marked for your book bag detail. Similarly, here you people are having the difficulties, that is your drawbacks. Mark this para. What are the drawbacks that are related to open source software? Yes, mark this one. The first point is difficult to work for beginners. The next point is exchange of files to other software is also difficult. Third point, sometime lack of responsibility service and problems with hardware compatibility. So these are the disadvantages that you people are having under open source software. Then yes, next you people are in next page, that is your network simulation tool NS2. So here you people have to underline each and everything. Yes, in computer network simulation, underline each and everything. Here a network simulator, already we have marked this for your book bag short answers. Okay, va? Yes, next what is the expansion for NS2? Yes, here already these 2 paras are marked for what purpose? Yes, write a short notes on NS2, no? For that you people have already marked these 2 para. In that one, first important you people underline this one. What are the 2 softwares? That is OTCL and the next one it is your C++. Similarly, NS2 works on Windows and Linux platforms. Similarly, it support wired or wireless network. Okay, va? Yes, next we can move on to the next page. Yes, the next one it is your OpenNMS. Okay, va? Yes, first you people underline the expansion that are related to OpenNMS, that is your network management system. Similarly, we have marked this introduction also for your book bag. Similarly, people underline the goal. What is the goal of OpenNMS, you have to underline this one and people have to mark the remaining. Similarly, FCAPS, underline this one and go with this points also. Okay, va? Similarly, come to the next one. So by now it is mainly focusing on what? Fault and performance management only. Okay, va? Then come to the next para. So it is mainly written in Java. Okay, va? This OpenNMS is written in Java for you. Underline that one. So here only you people are having the two types. What are the two? Here you are having, no, there are two types. It can be your extra question mark from here till here. There are two types in this. This is first one, it is your meridian, and next one it is your horizon. Okay, va? So meridian, when we need stability and long-term support, we have to choose meridian. So it is mainly best for enterprises as well as business. The next one, it is your horizon, where inversion occurs frequently. Some changes occurring frequently means in that area the view people can use horizon. So therefore that it is mainly and it is best for IT ecosystem where they are mainly having new technology monitoring. Here only the new technologies should be always going on. So for that only you people can choose them. They can choose horizon. Okay, wow. Next you people come to the next one. Yes, these are you underline each and everything. So when was OpenNMS was released in 1999 by Steve, Brian and Luke. Underline that one. Similarly, come to the next para. In 2004 was, yes, OpenNMS group was created by whom? Black, Matt and David. Underline that one. Written in Java. Underline that one. Similarly, it can run on all platform. Okay, va? That is whether it can be your Windows, Linux, Unix, Macs, what else be? It can. The next it gives us what else it is going to give. Underline each and everything. Event management and notification, discovery and provisioning, next service monitoring and data collection. You people have to underline each and everything. Then come to the next one. OpenNMS has three main functional areas. What are they? Yes, these 3 points you people have already marked for your book bag. What are they? Service monitoring, data gathering, event management and notification. So in the bracket they have given some shorts. For that you people must note the expansion also. What is the expansion for ICMP? Yes, it is nothing but it is your Internet Control Management Protocol. The next one, it is your HTTP. What it is? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And the next one, it is your DNS, that is your Domain Name System. Then come to the data gathering. There you people are having SNMP. What it is? Simple Network Mail Protocol. Simple Network Management Protocol. And the next one, it is your Java Management Extension. Okay, va? So these are the expansion for these ones. Then come to the next one. Next para you people are having, no, underline this one. Though it can easily used to handle small SMB network, it can also used for place of large number. The underline that one. Similarly, come to the last para. So it is your hardware. Open source hardware technology. Already it is marked for your book bag. So this is your hardware. Okay, va? So while they are distributing this OpenNMS, they will be giving the circuit diagram of your hardware also. If by this you people can compare with your hardware and what is given. If something spyware enter means that will be automatically detected in your hardware and it can be removed easily. Okay, va? So that is your open source hardware. So clear with the what else book in we have marked by now. Yes, next come to the next one, that is your points to remember. Yes, here you people underline each and just to have a glance over it, you people read each and everything what is given in your points to remember. Okay, va? Yes, here you people can have the definition for trace files also. Third point. Okay, va? Similarly, OTCL is nothing but object oriented tool command language. Object oriented tool command language. Next one, it linked together for C++ and OTL using TCL/CL. Okay, va? And the next one is simple introduction, that is point that is related to OpenNMS. Mainly it is for grade network monitoring and network management platform. Okay, va? So the next one, network monitoring software notifications helps the user administration to fix errors. So notifications will be given by that the network administrator, the user can fix the errors. Similarly, in the glossary they have given the expansion, that is NS2 is nothing but network simulation 2. OpenNMS is your first open source network management software. The next one, it is your trace file. A document file consists of every incidents happen in a simulation. The next one, OTCL, object oriented tool command language. FCAPS, fault configuration accounting performance security. Next one, GNU, general public license. And the next one, SSFNET, that is scalable simulation framework net models. Next one, API is nothing but application program interface. Source code, yes, what do you mean by source code? Set of instructions that decide how the software should work. The next one, expansion for BOS is nothing but Bharat Operating System Solution. Then CDAC is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. So what else I have given for your booking? What else the extra questions I have given for you? So clear with this one? Have you all underlined everything? Yes. Clear with the topics? What else we have discussed by now? Yes. Thank you, students.